Medical terminology, lesson 3. Electrocardiogram. The suffix gram means record. Record of the electricity of the heart. Electroencephalogram. Record of the electricity of the brain. Endocrine gland. A ductless gland, a gland that secretes within. Endocrinologist, a specialist of the endocrine system. Endocrinology, the process of studying secreting within, or the process of studying the endocrine system. Endoscope, instrument to visually examine within. Endoscopy, process of visually examining within. Enteritis, inflammation of the intestines. Enteropathy, disease condition of the intestines. Epidermis, above the skin, outermost layer of skin. Epigastric, pertaining to above the stomach. Erythrocyte, red cell. Excision, process of cutting out. Exocrine glands, a gland that secretes outward, a gland on the surface of an organ that excretes through a canal or duct. Gastrectomy, removal of the stomach. Gastric, pertaining to the stomach. Gastroenterology, process of studying the stomach and intestines. Gastronomy, incision of the stomach. Gynecologist, specialist in female study, a specialist that deals with the care and diseases of the female reproductive system. Gynecology, process of studying females, a branch of medicine that deals with the care and diseases of the female reproductive system. Hematology, process of studying blood. Hematoma, blood tumor. Hemoglobin, blood protein. Hepatitis, inflammation of the liver. Hepatoma, liver tumor. Hyperglycemia, excessive blood sugar. Hyperthyroidism, above normal thyroid condition. Hypodermic, pertaining to under the skin. Quiz time. The answers will follow each slide. Use the word parts on the left to form the words to the definitions on the right. And there's a bonus question here that we didn't go over in this lesson, but was in a prior lesson. Answers. Number 1 was electrocardiogram. Number 2 was endocrinology. Number 3 was gynecology. Number 4 was dermatology. Number 5, electroencephalogram. Number 6, gastroenterology. Number 7, hematology. Questions. Number 1, the suffix gram means blank. Number 2, little Johnny tells you that his father is a doctor that looks at vaginas all day. You assume that Johnny's father is what type of doctor? Number 3, what is a ductless gland called? Number 4, what is a gland called that is found on the surface of an organ and excretes through ducts? Number 5, what is a blood tumor called? Number 6, where would a hepatoma be found? Number 7 is a bonus question. As I said, that means we didn't go over it in this lesson, but it was in a prior lesson. A decision or conclusion reached after a medical examination is called a blank. Answers. Number 1, record. Number 2, gynecologist. Number 3, endocrine gland. Number 4, exocrine gland. Number 5, hematoma. Number 6, liver. Number 7, diagnosis. Write the word for the definition given. Number 1, a specialist of the endocrine system. Number 2, disease condition of the intestines. Number 3, pertaining to above the stomach. Number 4, red cell. Number 5, blood protein. Number 6, excessive blood sugar. Number 7, above normal thyroid condition. Number 8, pertaining to below the skin. Number 9, above the skin. Number 10, process of cutting out. Number 11, pertaining to the stomach. Number 12, instrument to visually examine within. Number 13, process of visually examining within. Answers. Number 1 is endocrinologist. Number 2 is enteropathy. Number 3 is epigastric. Number 4 is erythrocyte. Number 5 is hemoglobin. Number 6 is hyperglycemia. Number 7 is hyperthyroidism. Number 8 is hypodermic. Number 9 is epidermis. Number 10 is excision. Number 11 is gastric. Number 12 is endoscope. Number 13 is endoscopy. Similar but different. Number 1, Sally has inflammation of the intestines. She suffers from enteritis or hepatitis. Choose which one. Number 2, Jack is going for a procedure where they are removing his stomach. He is having a gastrotomy or a gastrectomy. Number 3, John suffers from inflammation of the liver. He has enteritis or hepatitis. Number 4, the doctor is making an incision into the stomach. She is performing a gastrotomy or gastrectomy. Answers. Number 1 was enteritis. Number 2 was gastrectomy. Number 3 was hepatitis. Number 4 was gastrotomy. Finis.